Okay. So, my fries, and then I got the chicken nuggets. What did you get?
I got a hamburger.
And then
and some fries.
Wait, but
Where's my?
wait. Where's my? Where's my Happy Meal toy? Kids?
What's that, Noah?
Where's my Happy Meal toy?
It's in your Happy Meal.
No,
Duh.
see? Look, it's empty. It's empty.
Noah, just check in your chicken nuggets.
Yeah, I'll check in my chicken nuggets.
Yeah, check in your chicken nuggets.
No, just the chicken nuggets are there.
Did you check in your fries? Noah, that's my drink.
I know, but maybe
No, that's. Hey.
maybe it's in here.
No. Hey, Noah, that's my Happy Meal. Noah.
Oh, there's nothing in there. Okay.
Yeah, I have my toy. Did you check your fries?
You have my toy? Did you take my toy?
No, I said I have my toy.
Yeah, but it's not in here.
Are you sure?
See?
Did you check your fries? Did you check in your fries?
I checked my fries. Where are my fries?
I don't see. How did you check your fries if you don't even know where your fries are?
There's no Happy Meal in there. Maybe in your drink.
No one would put your toy in a drink, Noah. Noah, don't. Oh, Noah. Hey.
No, there's nothing in there.
Noah, I'm drinking that. Sheesh.
How can this is not a Happy Meal if there's no toy in there.
I don't know. I'm twice as happy as I usually am.
Wait.
What?
Hold on.
What?
You're twice as happy as you usually are?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because most of my life I'm just regular level of happy. But right now I have a Happy Meal toy, so I'm twice as happy.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm sorry that your toy's gone.
Yeah, but I don't want... Do
What?
you have my toy?
I don't know. I don't know.
I think you do.
I don't know. Why would I have your toy?
I think you do.
Do you have mine?
No, you said you have yours.
I do have mine.
What do you have in your hand? Show me.
A thing. A toy.
You got my toy!
I know.
You got my...
It's only one toy.
Olivia took my Happy Meal toy. You have it.
What?
Give it me back, my Happy Meal toy.
Nope.
Oh, so you do have it.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Ha! You just said
mine.
you do.
No, I didn't. I didn't
Yeah,
say
because-
I do have your toy.
No, but you just said no. You
I
didn't
said no,
want-
I won't give you it. Well, maybe I don't want to give you mine.
Give me back my Happy Meal toy.
How do you know I have it?
You know what? I will take your Coke. I will take your fries. I will take your Happy Meal box. You know what? It's all mine now.
You just spilled my Coke.
Oh, I could care less.
Well, you know what, Noah? The only thing that matters is what's under my hand. Huh, kids? You could have the Coke and the fries and everything. But I have the only thing that's important. No. You can't get it.
Give it to me.
You
Give
can't
it
get
back.
No.
Give it back. It's my Happy Meal.
Nope.
You stole my toy. Stealing is not nice.
It is not nice. Maybe I'm just borrowing it. I'm going to borrow it until I'm done playing with it forever. And then I'll give it back.
I'm never going to talk to you again.
Aw.
You're not happy. You're not nice.
Aw.
Mom.
Noah.
No.
Noah. I'm just teasing you. No? You've got all the fries and all the drinks and all the hamburger and the chicken nuggets. don't think Noah's talking to me anymore. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry I took your Happy Meal toy.
Apology accepted.
Okay. Are you happier now?
No.
Should I leave you alone?
No, you can bring me a new Happy Meal now.
I can't do that.
Why not?
I don't know how to drive to get to the McDonald's and I don't have any money. I don't have any way to get you a Happy Meal.
Just, use Uber Eats or DoorDash or
Yeah,
Grubhub.
but you still need money for that. I don't have any money. I don't have a credit card.
Just ask Mom.
I don't think that she's going to let me buy you a Happy Meal when we just got Happy Meals.
Well, you can tell her what you just did to me.
All right.
Okay.
I'll tell her, but I don't think that's going to make you get a Happy Meal. Okay. Mom! I need a Happy Meal for Noah!
Now I have all of the toys, and I have all of the food, and I have all of the drinks. I tricked her. Happy Meal! I have all! Yay! And now I can eat in peace. They're very tasty. It's pretty
Noah! Mom says give me back my toy!
Kids, this is the time for me to leave. Okay, bye.
Noah! Noah! Noah, where's my... Kids! Mom says he tricked me. Ugh. Brothers. Sheesh. Oh well, at least I have the fries. I'm gonna go tell my mom. Bye kids! Bye!
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!